Hey everyone, Rocket Randall here, and in today's video, I'm going to launch this rocket, my very own version of Jeff Bezos' new Glen rocket, coming soon from MaxQ Rockets. Bezos has been working on his masterpiece for ages, and it looks phenomenal. When I first laid my eyes on it, I knew I had to make a model version for MaxQ so that you could have one too. And it's almost ready for you to grab. Subscribe now so you don't miss out when it hits the store. But here's the twist. I thought, why not beat Jeff to the punch? His launch got delayed again and again, giving me just the chance I needed. But the weather here in North Texas hasn't been playing nice, with really high winds for days, and now a snowstorm's on the way. So I dragged my wife out of bed at the crack of dawn into 20-degree weather to seize a tiny, frosty launch window. Saddle up, folks, because you're about to see if we pulled it off. Stick around after the launch for a breakdown of how it all went down. That's ominous foreshadowing.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. MaxQ. We have separation. Recovery system failure. Vehicle has been lost.
All right, good to go.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, that wasn't the worst launch I've ever had. Obviously not the landing I would have wanted, but it wasn't as bad as it first looked. The parachute failed. And at first I thought maybe it got singed by the ejection charge. That's happened plenty, but it looks fine. So I guess the shroud lines just got twisted and it didn't fully open. Landing on concrete didn't help much either. But even with all of that, the fins took most of the damage when it hit the concrete. It pretty much just split them open and cracked some of them off. But other than that, the only real damage was that this nose cone cracked a little bit. So, like I said, it could have been a lot worse. Thanks for joining me for this video, folks. If you enjoyed watching my rocket's epic launch and forceful landing, make sure to like, smash that subscribe button for more rocket content, and be sure to let me know what you think of my launch coverage in the comments below. This is the first one, so I'm going to be making more, and if you like it, let me know. If I missed anything in the launch, you saw something off, also let me know that. Well, that's all for now. Keep your eyes on the sky with MaxQ Rockets.